It's part of being male. He's probably realised that anyway.
Yeah.
He doesn't look good. Put a dog hot wax in the once it cools down, can't back out again. And then you put the trimmings like this here. You stack as many as you can up approximately that height. If 50 rings go into that tree, as many as you can. Pull plaster in, special plaster, got silicone and other minerals in them. Melt that wax out. With plaster mold like that. All that wax is gone now, there's a cavity where that wax was. And you pour molten silver gold in there. You mean for true into that silver gold.
And then you break the plaster, or you...
When it stops glowing red, the base, like that, when you see the base glowing red, probably about 10-15 minutes, you drop it in a big bucket of water, and a lot of it sprays off, and then you use high pressure hose, and then sometimes people use like a bead, glass bead sandblaster, and it gets rid of the plaster.
Okay.
But it turns out black, they don't turn out shiny like this.
Seems like a lot of work then, but...
Oh yeah, but you do 50 at one time.
Yeah.
That's the best way of doing it. Like,
Oh, then you cut the rings off that.
yeah.
I thought that's what you were making.
Yeah. Yeah, no,
I thought you were making a ring tree to sell kind of thing.
No, we limited to sell ring trees.
Wow, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, that makes more sense. I'll go to the back of the class.
Yeah, no, they'll be picking on you all day. It just shows you having 3 kids.
Yeah, yeah, it takes it out of you.
Yeah, I had 2 kids and that was bad enough. I was worse than you. And 2 females, mate. So you just cut them off, polish them up, and then just cut your stones and put your stones in it. That's how you buy your gold or your silver in granule form like that.
Huh?
It's a bit over 1/4 kilogram there, is what you use in each cast. If that's in gold, about $2,000 mark. We don't need that laying around. Before you ask me, no, stay free samples.
No free tree rings of gold?
Day. Come the right day, you would have been right, mate. Nice and hard. The rings which you're seeing 9, if you want them in 18 carat, it's probably $30-50, depends on what weight's in it. A lot of shops may be more different, so. Oh dear. This is the stage where it gets fiddly. You keep an eye on it. You should be filming her face. You should be filming their face.
As your finger comes off?
Is that right?
Shouldn't you be watching what you're doing? Oh.
That's your job. It's going right so far, huh?
Yeah, you're doing well.
So far, it's alright.
Crouch in there and grab the finger as it falls.
It's just a ghost of you. It's just a ghost of you.
The stone we cut today is called Mookite. That's from West Australia. That's what we call it today anyway. Might be something different tomorrow, you know. You didn't say no. You didn't say no, so it's alright.
Yeah, well we wouldn't know any different.
Yeah, it got away, that's all that matters. We put a big block of stone in the saw out the back there and slab it up with a loaf of bread. Just a fraction thin of earrings. That's just film it, so just check it out tomorrow, won't you?
It's just a ghost of you. It's just a ghost of you. It's just a ghost of you. It's just a ghost of you.